Hey guys, Neil here with ESOy'S, and today I'm going to be making chicken pesto panini. So this is the first time that I've actually made this dish, or will be making this dish, so I don't really know what to expect. Just came back from the grocery store. I got some chicken, green and red bell peppers. We're going to be using that to put over the chicken, or in the chicken sandwich panini. And so for the sauce, I picked up some basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, which we're probably going to only end up using 1, walnuts, olive oil, and then salt and pepper. And all those things we'll be using that for the sauce. But anyways, we'll see how this dish ends up. Whatever. Fuck it. Let's get cooking. So recap today of what we're going to need for the ingredients will include chicken, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, basil leaves, garlic, bell pepper, walnuts, and of course bread. So first we're going to start off by cutting the bell peppers. Here I'm cutting taking the stem off of the red bell pepper. Just going to cut that and the green bell pepper, obviously. So here I'm just cutting the red bell pepper into slices. And actually later I'm going to be cutting the slices into even smaller pieces in order to spread it across the chicken. And here I'm taking the seeds out. Yeah, you don't need the seeds, so when you're done cutting the bell peppers, just take the seeds out, like I'm doing here for the green bell pepper also. Just clean it up. And now for the garlic, you want to smash the garlic, the clove of garlic, or the piece of garlic, in order to loosen up the skin. And you're going to just separate the skin from the garlic, clean it up, and yeah, you don't want that skin in there. And now time for slicing the chicken. I got some boneless chicken here, so it's easy to cut. And yeah, when you cook the chicken, it's gonna condense into a smaller piece. So even though right now it looks like big pieces, it's gonna shrink. And here I'm gonna be adding some salt and pepper for seasoning. And yeah, just stir the chicken in the pan. Spread the salt and pepper within the chicken, just make sure that it's evenly placed. And here it looks like the chicken's doing pretty good, looks cooked. You want to cook the chicken till all the pink is gone. And now here, gonna be blending the basil leaves, garlic, walnut, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. That's going to make up the pesto sauce. So after the pesto sauce is ready, you're going to spread that across the 2 slices of bread that you're going to use for the top and bottom. Add that chicken, the red bell pepper, and green bell pepper, and some cheese. And now it's ready to grill. Put it on that George Foreman grill and just let it cook. And there you go. Chicken pesto panini, everybody. Enjoy.